Alright guys, it's game on season 2 of this one-day league that we have. But this time we have 6 teams instead of 4. So we have 48 players, we have 8 players each team, and we're gonna do the drafting right now. So here are some of the captains, Jello, Aldrin, and Omar, and Monroe of course. Champion last time. And she's gonna cook for us Filipino food. Yeah. What are you gonna cook?
Huh?
What are you gonna cook?
I don't know what's the name.
Oh my god, you don't remember the name?
What can you cook?
He's gonna show me.
She's gonna cook sopas. And puto. She likes puto. Yeah. Because she's from Mexico. And then Serenity's gonna be the cheerleader. Jello will choose one. Guys. So you just have to stick your finger out. No looking.
This one, ha? This one's
Alright, choose.
Random ba yung ano? O center muna ulit? Or bahala na?
We would highlight the center. It's up to you guys if you want to choose it or not.
Okay, so wala nang ano. Okay, mas okay yun.
After that, you guys can do whatever you guys want.
Yeah, mas okay yun.
Asa yung cheat sheet? Asa yung cheat sheet? Asa yung cheat sheet?
So, wait.
Number 2. Number 2? Wow! Second pick!
So, I'm the last one to pick.
First pick?
First pick. Where's the number? Thank you, baby.
Iyan, walang number!
5th ako, 5th. 4 ka.
There is a number.
Baby.
Number 4.
Do you know who's I'm gonna get? Monroe.
Sinabi mo na ha? You can't choose Monroe.
Oh, I can't choose Monroe. Sorry.
Okay, so we're gonna highlight the centers.
Patrick, what number
We're gonna highlight the centers.
5 ako.
Ano sabi mo? Galing ko, kaya ako nag-captain para di ako ma-last pick.
Ang galing! Nasave niya yung sarili niya.
Ayan, nagkakapustahan na. Ano, 50-50 bucks? First game. I think nasa harap. Okay. Ayan guys, ito na. Game na. This is the second game. So, first game kami, talo. Pero wala nakapag-video or anything. Buti na lang. Kasi hindi pumapasok yung mga tiro namin. At least ngayon, kompleto na halos, nandito na lahat. Ayan.
After I'm gonna go to game 3. If you lose, loser of game 3 plays in game 5. If you win your game 7, that would be alright. Like 220-ish.
Alright, it's a close game, 51-68. Let's see. Yun o, lakas naman. Kukuha ko yun. Oo talaga. Yun talaga ako. Uy! Lakas naman! Grabe, the move na yun. Grabe naman yun! Kanina pa! Nice! Nice move! Parang gumagaling sila pag kami nagbibideo. Yung una wala na. 2 points lang yata. Ayan. Go! Nag-warm up na sila. silang dalawa lang. I don't know kung ano ginagawa. Sali, ano? Use your shooters. You are Golden State Warriors. Remember.
Boy, palitan niyo yung ano ko. 2 points na lang ako eh.
Too big, too big.
You know.
You know.
There's water.
Hey!
What's up, Mark?
Wow. Good game. Oh, chibog. Wala si Kenny, wala tayong announcer. Ayan guys, so nagluto kami ngayon na para may pagkain habang naglalaro. Goto at saka ng sopa. Yan. And ito yung nagluto. She's not even Filipino, she cooked it. So we're gonna give it a shot. Meron din ditong hot dogs.
Halimbawa daw. 60 ka.
Pero talaga ito ang mga hit eh, no? Talagang hotdog ang mga hit sa mga ganito, yung mga simple lang na pagkain.
Pwede naman ito kunin.
So tingnan na natin yung sopas ni Sirenya. We're gonna try putahe ni Sirenya. So Sirenya learned how to cook a Filipino dish, right? You remember what it's called?
Sopa?
Sopas. Yeah.
Soup in Spanish.
How much carnation ibab did you put?
1.5.
Ah, she said to put 4. Like 4 of them. Like, so it will be like tastier.
Taste it?
Yeah.
No, taste it.
Digit. 2022. Wow. Digit. Akat ka! Jello sa kita! Akat sa kita! Akat ka lang kayo! Hindi kasi talaga nawala yung isa natin. Pumunta kasi dalawa. Maybe sa papagod din yun. Paano sa championship? Ganda ng mga nagko-commentator, naririnig ko kanina, sabi niya, Pinasa ulit! Pinasa! Tinira!
Back to back.
Hey!
Back shot, back shot. 3,069.
Ayun na! Hey!
Missed it. Give the pass.
Oy!
No good.
Oh, no, Jello! Yeah. Parang championship to. You guys know what is it? Oh yeah, he always says that. Nice pass. Good Omar. Uy. You know? Yes.
3.
Alright.
Oh, missed it.
Time out on the whole game.
Go. Oh, number 33, second personal foul.
Bando.
Let's one. Bando, get him.
Uy.
How many seconds?
Ay, puta na naman. Alam mo yung gagawin? Tumatapos. Ito naman. Diba? Diba na kuya Bal? Tama, diba? Bando. Tie game.
Pinaporno mo ba? Ayan, no?
Juan Bando? He sold it. Sino? Eric Yellow. Boy! 5 minutes na lang. Okay. Nice! There you go! Okay! Nice shot, kid! Luka! Oy!
Ano ba time out na?
Dalawa dapat. 237 per out. Out na kasi.
Sino naman?
Luka. I have the point here, the end one right here. I have the end point right here.
Hindi, huwag mo sabihin na nag-score. Diyan mo yung base.
Yeah, it's based. I started it. Sino yung nagpahuga? Committee.
Ako magpapalit sa'yo.
Oh! Ayusin mo. Oh, yan yung sila magreklamo. Ay, nato ka dito.
Kuya Bal.
Ayan na, lamang na kayo ha. Sama ulit. Task force arrive.
3 seconds.
Nice! Nakakuha ng foul. Oh, sino foul? Four foul, Kuya Ray. 4.
Ay, Titin.
What do you say?
Oh! There's still 40 seconds left, guys.
That's how we got out.
They said Kuya Ray. They said Ray. Hey, the ref said it, not me. Relax.
Everybody hate Raymond! Everybody loves Raymond!
It's 6:55. How are you doing?
36 seconds. Uy. Wala. Hey, 22 shots left, 24 seconds.
Shot clock in the 10.
20 seconds to play.
40 shot clock.
Wow. Oh my God, 5 board. 5 seconds. 7, 6. 4 seconds. 4 seconds, guys. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. 1 point game. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Ikaw wala OT.
Nalig ba?
2 shots.
Okay, smash.
Foul out, no?
Clutch free throw.
Eh, dapat 52 seconds lang.
Opo.
Sila.
33.
Who fouled?
33.
Who fouled? 33?
33.
Hey, fouled out.
Nasa kamay. Yung mga mirror nasa loob.
Fouled out, 33. That's just saying.
Yeah. OT na, OT. Saan ang inbound? Sa kabila pa rin?
Kapila.
OT pa.
I mean, they have a...
If he missed, chance to win.
OT na lang. O hindi. OT o hindi.
Time out, boy!
Saan ang inbound? Dito na.
Ano?
Grabe.
Doon ni Bandon.
Hey, no foul.
Ice in my vein.
1 point game. 3 seconds.
No foul.
Don't have time out. They do.
They do.
They do.
Hindi ka natalo kayo. Hindi ko alam.
Wala kaming choice.
At least sulit. Okay na. May mga press league naman kayo eh.
Wala ba?
Yan ang pinakamahirap dyan. Sa cramps.
Pinotesta ka, bro. Laki yung malaki. There's beds over there.
Wala!
Just, yeah, just shoot the slimy, non-slimy one.
Let's go, man! Ayun na!
Balik ba? Ang dami na. Hindi ko makitanggal eh. Pagka pinatapag rin, ginagawang aluhan eh.
Wow! Grabe! Let's go!
Kanina pa yun ay lagi ito yung nare-record ko ah. Patay na.
Downtown!
Marami na to ah. Ang may dili yung only hit. Ayan guys, may naligaw daw na nagbabike lang.
Ayun na, ipasa kay cyclist.
Oh shit! Hindi ko nakuha yung highlights na nagbabike. Ito po yung nagbabike lang. Tapos sumali na. Asay bike mo, kuya. Asay bike mo. Oy, puta! Ano naman? Ay, puta, rebound! Oh no! Game, it's a close game.
Tie game.
Tandaan lang ha, baka bumigay. Tama. Man daw sila, man. Sa kabila. Anong game plan dyan? Kain ng goto pagkatapos. Makinig ka muna ka ng takot. Ay, narinig nila yung kalaban. Tao daw, alam nila. Tao kayo. Paano ang gagawin? Hey! Close game! Okay din yung mga bracket. Okay, go! Step on it. Ayan, may graduate tayo. Congratulations! Graduate! 1 minute. Ay, may tama sa ano. Sa braso rin. Ayun, no?
Tandaan lang ha.
Ano, mama yung ulo pag land. So, kasama talaga sa basketball, kaya hopefully ayos itong si Ray.
Good hustle, Ray. Good hustle. Easy tayo ha. Sure ball, last shot.
Ay, buta, lakas na lang. He didn't hit the ring.
How many seconds we got? One. Three. 30 minutes, 24.
Yung hindi tumama sa ring, so dapat yung 24 seconds violation. 24-second violation? Yeah, 24 seconds. Yeah, 3 seconds. It was 43 earlier. Shot clock.
Oh yeah, violation! 24 seconds.
24 seconds violation. Shot clock violation. Shot clock. Close. Na-foul niya, sayang. Na-foul niya. Hey! 1-1. Ang burantot, kami tatalo rin ng ibang team. Pareho yung bro, wala kayong bawat. So this is dramatic. You missed the free throws and now it's a black ball. This is a close game.
Watching the cross ref. Vito's got you. He'll let you know when.
Screen. Hoy, ang ginagawa niyo dalawa. Overtime! Omar, you have a good chance right now. This team are gonna cramp later. I swear to you, both of these teams are gonna cramp.
I'm already cramping.
Bro, like this team is gonna cramp. It's a sustain. It's not gonna sustain. Because they have like 2 more games or what? Like. Sayang nga eh. Like if we play right now, they're gonna be cramping. Because we have a lot of rest. This team will cramp, both of them. Because it's like masyadong intense yung game. Pero okay. 2 minutes.
Good.
Nice!
picture this time.
The way to the rack.
Hey! Wow, mukhang mananalo si Kuya Oji ah.
Hey, stop me! I'm gonna beat up! Stop me! Stop me! Stop me! Stop me! Please.
Hey! Oh no! Oh no! Ganun din nangyari sa amin. Oh my God! Secure the rebound! Oh no! This is Jin. Wow. Oh shit, may pag-asa ba? May pag-asa ba?
May timeout pa kayo ha? Why has that one timeout?
Oh no! Oh no! Crucial! Oh no! I would have. Damn, I like this kind of game. It's close. I wish I could play more though. I got eliminated. It's a brat right here. God damn, just like us. Didn't secure the rebound. But they're lucky. They missed the free throws. I didn't miss any of my free throws today. Oh yeah. Sana amoy niya mga yun. Kanina maga po yun. Oh, hindi, meron na. Both of them, I think. It's not gonna matter. Hey, free throws, bro. Free throws. Damn. Overtime, 43-46. Let's see. Made it. Hey, right here. There it is. Oh. No light. That's it. Yay. Good game. Good game. Good game. We'll see each other again. No more, it's not the end. Everything. Good game, good game, good game. Damn, that's a good game. Pasalamat sila na injured si Ray. Pero pinlano niya yun, kaya natanggal si Ray. Ay! Kanina pa si Mike G ah. Nakakarami na ya. At wala, di ka na-injection ng to eh. Hindi pumatay. Oh my God, wala akong waiver dun sa bata. Because he can't sign, his parents has to sign it. Basic yun, no? Back to back. Ay, kuya. So, ayan, ito pala. Anong feeling, kuya? Alam mo ba na double elimination. So, kahit matalo kayo ng championship, magkakaroon ng game 11. Pero sabi ng kasama mo, hindi nyo napapabuti.
Hindi na. Tapusin namin to straight.
Yan,
Ito mo naman, back to back. Last champa lang kayo sa amin.
Dugong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh. Akalain mo.
But this team is good.
Yeah, maganda kayo pagkakabuhos ng mga team. Kung ano nga, kung...
Yung mga... Nasa room niyo po ata.
Kung nakakuha lang talaga rin kami ng sentro, medyo kaso wala.
Malakas tong team nila Mike.
Malakas yung kay Mike. Malakas yung kila Christian.
Kila Omar.
Omar got the young kid, so...
The best one is the 97. He's the one that's dealing with all rebounds and inside.
Isa man lang dyan sana.
Bawi kami next time.
Kung nanalo pala tayo, rematch dito, ano? Kala Marlon. Sayang.
Re-rematch. Kasi hindi lang
Marlon Prado.
Bro, pahingan nyo na yung mga player nyo. Mamaya yan, dun magkakatalunan. Malaki na yung lamang.
Thank you.
Mike, pumo na yung mga star mo, mamaya.
Lakas ng team nila.
Oh, wala, malakas din naman sa'yo. Undefeated nga kayo.
Malakas lang kami manginis. Sila na ba next dito? Di pa.
Reach to us. Alright, semifinals. Back to back tong block. So, talagang ganun. Tingnan natin. Pero, back to back sila.
Pagod na oh.
May mamayaman.
Wala ka man dahil.
Tingnan natin kung kaya pa ng stamina nila.
Right there. Tayo. I got two right here.
3-0 din kami last time.
Kaya sabi ko kayo,
wala rin kami pahinga. Marami rin kami pahinga.
Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, tapusin natin doon ng maaga para hindi tayo napapagod kagaya nangyari sa atin last week.
Kasi sinabi ko rin kay Mike, takpak na. Maglaro yung iba. Ito ang problema sa one-day tournament. Yan, tinan sila. Ramp. Dikit pa rin, dikit. Nice!
Madaya yung mga kalaban namin next game. Two games lang nilaro.
Sure! So everyone's cramping, binigyan ko ng mga pickle juice para matanggal yun. Kasi yung iba kasi, syempre siguro hindi rin sila alam na ganun karami yung league games. They're playing until kahit tambak na yung kalaban ng 20. So yan, nagkakabot sila ng cramps. Gusto pa nila, yung championship ang pinaka stamina in the end.
Umpisa na! Jump ball! Malakas pa!
Oh shit, okay. So the black team is gonna go back to back to back. Let's see.
Back to back, man. 2 times.
Hey, you guys are the winner already. You guys get to play more.
Wala pa pahinga.
Jump ball na agad!
Kailangan ko mag-bio freeze.
Pickles.
Nasaan yung pickles?
Eto bro, gagana yan. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. It's right there. Meron pa dun. Eto na, championship.
Bakit? Ang importante ba yung 14?
Atong championship, 30 minutes per round, No. 4 quarters, 30 minutes.
West versus East.
Oo nga, magpatalo muna kayo.
So, in short, picture daw.
Game, championship, champion. Let's go. Hey guys, picture daw, picture.
Let's go. Medyo. Ay, kinagin pa ko dyan. Sasaka ka pa dyan,
Ina. Let's not change it. Why are you complicating it?
Get out of there!
It's good. That's how it is. Bro, at kaso dalawang beses tatalunin. Alright. Championship game.
Wala.
Balikan to, balikan.
Bias.
Hey! What the hell? Yon, crabs. Ayun na, patay na rin. Boom! Nice! Oh! Ang lakas mo naman bumato! Ang nakita! Ano yun? Kinalo na tapos bumaliktad? Yeah! Ayun na! Ayun na! Nice! Oh! Hey! Ah!
Thank you.
Patay na! Boom! Amen, hindi na makakalaro itong mga. May napapasok. Run it! There you go! Alright! Game 11!
Ready na ulit.
Black team! 10 minutes break! Oh shit! Championship game. Kasi yung white team, wala pa silang talo nung una. So ngayon, kailangan ng game 11. So, wow! You guys are a machine. Meron na. Alright, so for some reason, black team has more stamina than the white. And it's now 23-38. And this is the last game. It's a championship game. Hey, it's a championship game. Come on, defense. Keep going. You still have legs. Ian, you gotta keep going. Balik ka na, bro. Tira na yun. Dude, that's not a lot. Yun lang. Shooter talaga. Grabe. Hey, Marlon. MVP. All right. So I guess unanimous decision. MVP. Marlon, right? But he's late. Yeah, he's late. He carried him from the first game.
It's supposed to be Renjo, but he missed some games. Marlon, MVP.
There you go. I told you. Oy, Greg Jeron, pasok ka na. Para meron kang video pang championship.
Yung coach. Pwede naman yung coach.
Mike, papasukin mo na ito.
Second shot.
Second shot. Ayan, pag natalo, sisisihin natin si Greg Jeron. Joke lang. Boom!
Eh, nag-uusap sila eh.
No? Kasama yun.
Sa 2 minutes yung ano.
They have 7.
Renjo.
Nandadaya pa to. Ayaw na good delete.
Kanina pa yan, kuya.
Na lang yan eh.
Sweetheart! Isang malupit naman, sweetheart! Balik ka naman! Pagkatapos mo tumira, ayaw mo na doon depensa, ha? Ulitin mo! Konti na lang!
What are you guys doing?
Hey! Konti lang! Hey! Pressure! Hey! Up legs! Stop! Do a 3-point! Salaksak! Oh! That's it. That was it. Dude, you guys got close.
I know.
The first game was your chance. They were tired. Good. Oh, good D. Let's go.
Hold on. Let's go.
3 points. Take a 3. Three. Isa pa. Yan na. Patay. Boom! Oh, sayang. Wala pala ako dun.
Go.
Take it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Hey. All right. Black team wins. All right. All right, so well-deserved black team.
Good game.
How many games have you guys played? 6 games? God dang! Sulit na sulit. Sulit yun sa inyo, ha? Doble kayo.
Puta, back-to-back nga ha. Back-to-back second place.
30.
Hey guys, collect 30. We don't want to hold them over here. Nice. Huwag ka muna alis, ha? May awarding pala.
Don't go anywhere. No.
No. No. 5 minutes. Hey, 5 minutes. Because Marlon has to go, so we have to announce it. Come on, announce it. Go announce it.
Hello, everyone.
Hold on. Alright, let's go, because Marlon has to go. Ito ang ating sponsor, Jet Transport, Monroe. Ayan.
Hello, guys. Okay, guys, the winner, Mikey's team. Team 5, please line up.
Hey, come here! Picture.
Yung nanalo lang daw, pati yung...
Loser, sit down.
Yung mga losers, ano na? Almost winners.
Kami. Ha? Marlon. That's Marlon. Thank you, Marlon. You're good.
Champions! Hey.
Number 2. 1, 2, 3. Ay, dito may rin. Isa pa. Number 2. Number 2.
Yeah, last one.
1, 2.
Okay, guys, on behalf of Jet Transport, for the MVP. Okay, the unanimous decision, MVP, Mr. Marlon.
Yeah! Suot mo naman!
First pick.
Good.
Without this person, this team won't be a team. Mr. Mike Gutierrez.
Parang graduation lang to ah.
Best ano yung pinainom mo dyan?
Pickles.
Best pickles sa
Uy, basta talaga to.
Next.
Okay, next. Mr. Jeron Lorente.
Yeah!
Bro, tignan mo muna yung...
Tignan mo daw para mga...
Dapat yung anak lang ang magbubuhan.
Yeah!
Next.
Ngayon, pwede ka namang asal.
Rudolph.
Panalo ka na eh.
Thank you!
Ay, walang pagod. First time champion.
Alright. Next, Alan. Hello.
Hey!
Nakasama dito last year ah. Paano doon? Talaga nandaya sa dropping to si Mike.
Kasama pa namin si Alan. Hindi namin kasama si Alan.
Alright, next, John.
Kasama yan, di ba?
Hindi namin kasama namin si Rudy. Ay, malaki. Eto, wala may kilala nung una kaya po siya. Ang galing pala eh.
Alright, the youngest. The youngest.
Pinapakita niya naman kasi baby picture eh. Okay, kuya Ogie na lang natira. Sayang eh. Para makasubok naman. Keep it. Renjo.
Where's Renjo? The three-pointer. Renjo.
Yung nagpanalo sa inyo ah.
Renjo!
Close to the MVP.
Alam mo yung sinasabi namin, bigyan mo na kay Kuya Ogie. Si Kuya Ogie na malapit naman dito. Joke lang!
Walang kukuwi.
Alright.
One more picture.
Oh, and the last one for the MVP.
Hey, yun!
Isabel, thank you.
Ang sarap naman yung team black na yun. Team ni Mike, daming laro. Oh, that was good.
No, pero lahat sila kasi. Kahit ano yung
Pero mahaba rin naman yung pinagdaanan nila. So,
Oo nga, pero
malakas talaga.
tinalo na namin nung una yun.
O, tinalo niyo na. Dapat yung kuya yung